Hello friends, colleagues, teachers and students. Now I discuss a question from time, speed, distance related to the subtopic trains. Okay, here in this question, he is standing on the foremost point of a train moving at 270 kilometers per hour in a straight line. He starts moving in the direction opposite to that of the train at 3 meters per second. At the same time, B standing at the rearmost part of the train starts moving in the direction of the train at 4 meters per second. Okay, a person standing outside notices that when A moves by 1800 meter, B is 2100 meters away from A. Find the length of the train. Okay, here we are talking about the same train, and one person is standing at the foremost point and another person is standing at the rearmost point, and both are moving, and rearmost point person is moving with speed of 4 meter per second towards engine, whereas foremost point person standing at the foremost point person moves with speed 3 meter per second away from the engine, and outside person observes like this. And let me draw a diagram. Okay, assume this is train, this is foremost point, this is rearmost point. Assume this is straight line. Okay, and here a person B is moving with a speed of 4 meter per second. This is rearmost point, rearmost. This is foremost point. At the foremost point, a person A is moving with a speed of 3 meters per second towards, and speed of the train is 270 kilometers per hour. So we can write here 270 into 5 by 18 comes to be in meters per second. 18 once 18, 18 once 18, 90, 18 5 90, 15 5 75. So 75 meters per second is the speed of the train. This should be calculated. Now a person standing outside, assume a person is standing here, observes like this. At the same time, B is standing at the rearmost point. Okay, a person standing outside notices that when A moves 1800 meters, B is 2100 meters away from A. Okay, here this train is moving with speed of 75 meters per second. The same speed is throughout the train. Why? Because it doesn't change. And after some time, assume train has moved to some distance like this. This is the foremost point, engine point. Assume F, foremost point or engine point. This is guard point, rearmost point R, and whereas this is outside person. He observed that A has a person standing outside notices that when A moves 1800 meters, from his observation, A has moved by, actually if A does not move away from the foremost point or away from the engine, A should be located here, but it is moving with some speed, so A must be located somewhere here. A will be located somewhere here, name it as A dash. So actually he observed that A has changed its position by 1800 meters. Earlier observation point is here, this. So this is sorry. Earlier a person observed that A is at here in this point. Now he observed that A is changed to A dash point, and name it as a person standing outside notices that when A moves by 1800 meters, so this distance, this is coming observed to be 1800 meters. B is 2100 meters away from A. Okay, that we can observe, calculate afterwards. So 1800 meters. But engine speed is 75 meters per second. 75 meters per second throughout. And A dash, A is moving like this. So this point, F point, moves from here to here. The distance is 75 meters per second into time. And at the same time, A has moved 3 meters per second from this point to this point, this distance, A dash. So we have to write like this: 75 into T minus 3 into T is equal to 75 into T is this distance. I write here clearly 75 into T, this whole distance. Next, positive direction, minus 3 into T, this distance, which is equal to 1800 meters. So 1800 meters it is coming to be. So 75 minus 372 T is equal to 1800 meters. So 72, 36, 18, 18 fourths, 72, 18 hundreds. T is coming to be 25 seconds. That means time of travel is 25 seconds. So during that 25 seconds, A has moved by a distance of 25 into 3, 75. This is 75 meters. I repeat, A has moved by 25 seconds. Therefore, 25, this is 3T. 3T is coming to be 3 into T, 75 meters. So actually A position is this, and now it is here. And it is also given that a person standing outside notices that when A moves by 1800 meters, B is 2100 meters away from A. So A dash position is here. A's new position is here. So from that point, B is observed to be 2100 meters. So this is B dash. So this distance B dash to A dash is given as 2100. So this distance will be 2100. This distance will be 300. No, okay. And B has, during that 25 seconds of time, B has moved by 4 meters per second into 4 meters per second into 25, which is coming to be 100 meters. So I repeat, this is the whole thing. This is rear engine. This is B dash point. This is observation point. This is A dash point. This is foremost point. Foremost point. This distance is 75 meters. Just now we calculated. This distance is given as 1800 meters from observation point. This total distance is given as 2100 meters, distance between A dash and B dash. And by that time, by the 25, in the 25 seconds, B has covered a distance of 25 into 400 meters. So this is 100 meters. So 100 meters plus 2100 plus 75. So 21, 22, 22, 75 meters is the length of the train. 22, 75 meters. So option D. I hope this cleared your doubt. Thank you. If you like my video, please like it. Please share my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.